Hello everyone and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. So as you all know is Johncross Moses-Madu from the Big Bank Forex Group, and today in this video I'm going to be talking to you about when is the best time to enter a trade. Now as you all know, I'm a long-term trader. I trade the daily time frame, blah blah blah, you already know. And you know, one of the entries for me is one of the biggest problems that forex traders face. Now, I'd like to tell you something. There's no thing like a perfect forex trader. There's no forex trader that is perfect, that is so good that, you know, there's nothing like that. Nothing like that, believe me. And because of that imperfection, that is the reason why all traders lose. And what differentiates a successful trader from one that is not successful is your ability to scale your profits. Your ability to scale your profit is what actually differentiates a successful trader from an unsuccessful one, or ability to manage your money. Now, talking about when is the best time to enter a trade, I think the first thing we should be asking ourselves is, where should we enter a trade? Where? But I know that the when is actually very important, but the when, I know that the when is actually very important, but the where, where is also very important. So we have the where and we have the when. Now, if you can know the where, then automatically you can actually know the when. If you can know the where, then automatically you can actually know the when. So when you are talking about where, you're talking about area. Talking about area. And when you are talking about when, I'm talking about time. Sorry. Now, let's talk about the where. Where do you enter a trade? You can enter a trade anywhere. It's funny, right? You can enter a trade anywhere. You can enter a trade right now. I can just go and just go sell, or buy, and I'm in a trade. So the question should be, where will you enter a trade that can actually guarantee you or has better chances of giving you profits? Like, where should you enter a trade that can actually give you profit? Because there are different areas in the market that can actually give you profit. Let me go to the monthly time frame and show you something. Look at this level in the market. Look at this area. Look at that area. That area is an area that is guaranteed, that guarantees you profit. That area, it guarantees you profit. Why? Because you can notice that the market came here and bounced off. Came here, what did you do? It bounced off. So there are specific areas in the market where if you enter the market and you actually can actually use the when factor, that is the time, or price action, let me say price action, to actually lead you to the right time to get to the trade, then you can actually get profit. And the where is what brings me to support and resistance. As you all know, the market moves. The market only moves in two directions. Is that going up or going down? It looks like the market moving sideways. Price action can be moving sideways, but price is that going up or going down. And price is that going up towards to resistance or down to support. That is it. So if you can actually know where, or you can actually identify support and resistance, then there's a good probability that you actually know where to enter the market. You are back to where. And if you can actually understand price action, then I guarantee you, you actually know when to enter the market. Believe me. Support and resistance is a very, 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 very important factor in the forex market. There's no forex trader that doesn't really talk about it. As long as you're a technical trader, you must actually talk about support and resistance. Because many of you have heard of support and resistance, and many of you have heard the saying, you buy at support, you sell at resistance. But is it every time market goes to a support that you buy? No. Is it every time market goes to a resistance that you sell? No. If you sell at every support or resistance, you will lose. And that is where price action comes in. That is where price action comes in. And that is why we look to actually buy at support when price action tells us that it's time. Now we are back to the when. So the first is to identify where to buy, support and resistance, then identify when to buy, price action, which could be your candlesticks, structure, or whatever. I won't be going that into it because it's in my course. So that when is what will not tell you this is when to buy and when to sell. And when you actually follow these principles, will you win every time? No. Will you win most of the time? Yes. And if you understand money management, you will know how to scale your profits. And if you know how to scale your profits, you can be consistent, because all this happens all the time. So if you can be consistent, getting it at the right place at the right time, you will receive profits in the long run. Mark my word. So I want you today to focus on understanding support and resistance and price action. And I promise you, your trading will go onto another level. So thank you. I would like to bring this video to a close. I also want to point this out to you guys. Maybe in the next video I will be talking more about support and resistance or price action or money management. Depends. So thanks for watching this video, and if you actually like the content, feel free to subscribe, and if you actually like this particular video, feel free to like if you like. So till the next video, stay blessed, stay safe, and God bless you. Amen.